This is what we're looking like. My hair. I love this so much. Baby, you know that I miss you. Hey everyone, it's maiphammy here, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog, what I'm going to be doing while I'm bored at home because I'm suspended. If you guys haven't watched my video of why I was yet, link down in the description box below, but it is currently 10:46 a.m. and I'm probably going to edit that video with why I got suspended, upload it today, and I'm gonna go get my hair done later because I'm really bored, and whenever I'm bored I like to spend my money, if you guys didn't know that. So yeah, I just finished editing the video explaining why I got suspended, but your girl's bored, so she's gonna go get her hair done. I really like to spend my money whenever I'm bored, so I need something to do with my life. Yeah, let's go. So right now I'm at the salon. I'm gonna get my roots done and everything because it's black and it goes to blonde and it looks like really ugly. I don't know, I like to change my hair quite a bit and I haven't gone in like 6 weeks, so. This is what my hair looks like before. It's like super gross looking, like really gross looking. It's called ponytails and horseshoes. I usually don't go here. I usually go to Michelle at Volume Salons. Shout out to Michelle. You know, she did my hair before. I love it. She's really good with Asian hair also, so if you guys live in Edmonton, you guys want to get your hair done, I recommend her. Instagram right here. Sorry, Michelle.
Oh, it's already recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. It's a pretty cute look. Are you guys ready to see how orange my hair is? Ew. Look how pretty this is. Wow, aesthetically pleasing. Look how pretty my hair looks. Now my roots don't go from black to blonde real fast. It's not like that much of a change, but like my hair looks a lot longer now. Amazing. I didn't vlog it, but I did something pretty big. I posted on my spam account. I'm not going to show it on here. You guys have to follow my spam account to see it because I can't post it on here. Because people that I don't want seeing what I did watch these videos. So if you guys want to see what I did, go follow my spam account. Now you guys are shut up. Let's read some of the comments about it. This is sick. So dope. Love this for you. So like go watch it, guys. But like right now, I'm at Starbucks wasting money. I'm supposed to be at a volleyball game right now to watch the seniors play. I can't though because I'm suspended. I can't do this while you're watching. Okay, so we're home now. I'm really bored, so that I FaceTime. He's watching me vlog right now. We're FaceTiming Langley. Oh, you guys all saw him in the K-Days vlog, and he was like, oh my god, where's Langley? Where are you, Langley?
I'm at home in Calgary.
Yeah, he's in Calgary, guys. Stop asking where he is. He doesn't like me, so he moved to Calgary. So now we're going live with Kelly Wakasa. You guys, oh, well, shit. A lot of you girls are gonna be thirsty now.
I like being, want to be in the vlog? She doesn't know who I am.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Should we subscribe to, what should we say, like subscribe to,
Subscribe to Kelly Wakasa. I'll put his link down in the description box below. You guys can all fangirl over him. You guys can go gas him up, go comment on his videos. So you guys are probably so confused. That's Kelly Wakasa. He used to have the same subscriber amount as me, and then we both follow each other on Instagram, but then he surpassed my subscriber count by like a lot because he posted this high school vlog that got 1 million something views, which is absolutely insane. Going back to high school undercover, 1.8 million views. All right. I commented, I shot my shot in your DMs, but I guess I airballed, and that's before he DM'd me back, and that has 3.9k likes. So it's currently 12 something. And we're gonna straighten Riley's hair. Hold up, focus. Oh my god, dude. Look how thick his hair is. No, look how thick his hair is. What the hell is this? Alright, so this is what it looks like. Pretty nice and healthy. This lighting is absolute trash because the sun's right on top of me. But it is now 1 o'clock and it's the next day and I'm really bored, but I got ready. And it's actually decently warm outside. It was literally snowing not that long ago. And now it's plus 12. But I'm bored, so I'm gonna go eat and then we're gonna go to the mall. I'm at this place called Sugar Bowl right now. So I got their lunch special. It's like a Cuban sandwich and it has like arugula and shit on it and meat. If you guys don't know, I fucking love arugula. And then we have some kale Caesar salad. I'm in Forever 21 right now and like I'm seeing cute things, but then I'm like, you literally have like hundreds of clothes. You don't need more clothes. And I'm not gonna buy anything from here because I don't need anything.
12 seconds later.
Okay, update. I went to the men's section and I found like this corduroy jacket and I like how oversized it is, and on the back it's like that. I don't know. And then I also just rolled up the sleeves because they're too long. I've been looking for like a white jacket for a while. I have the one from Garage, but it's like kind of a cream color. And I think I'm gonna get a corduroy white jacket. Alright, so I'm in the change room right now. But like, I really like this shirt or whatever. I've always been looking for like a tank top that has like detailing on like the top, you know, lace. But this is like really fucking small. It's a small bodysuit. I shot in the extra small. That shit didn't even clip together. But they don't have this black in a medium. So that makes me really sad. So I don't know what to do. I could also just like wear no bra with this. Alright, outfit of the day. This long sleeve shirt is from Garage. These jeans are from Garage. And then my shoes are Adidas NMDs and I got those at the Authentics Club in St. Albert. Shut up. This is $90. It looks like it's inside out. And he said it looks like I got it from Value Village.
Exactly, because look at the quality.
Okay, no, it's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like, it's in, I don't know, it looks inside out, but it's really not. It's cute though. But I know that it's not worth $90. Okay, I really like this color, but like it says Stussy on it, and Stussy is such like a little skater boy brand. So I don't know if I want it. I don't want to turn into a typical skater boy. For some reason, I really love Guess shirts, and I just ordered a yellow striped one, a red striped one, and a black and white vertical striped one online, and those are coming in. But then I wanted an ASAP Guess shirt. If you guys live in Edmonton or St. Albert or like anywhere in this area, you guys like Champion and like Supreme and all that shit, and like Yeezys or whatever, you guys can go check out the Authentics Club. I'll put their Instagram right here. Yeah, because that's where I bought my NMDs from. But anyways, so I bought this, and it's like the cotton candy one, and it's blue, white, and pink, as you guys can see. It's in an extra small. It looks like this. Can't believe I just spent $90 on a shirt. Honestly, I'm not even surprised though, because I just bought a Champion sweater for $90. I got myself this. This is a white corduroy jacket. I have the same exact one, but in a brown color. Oh my god, this is such a cute look. Hold up. Okay, don't mind my messy room. I'm about to film a cleaning my room at 2 AM video. But like, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. Then I got this. I've always wanted like a tank top with the lace on it, but I couldn't find one. So I got this bodysuit, and this is just like a nudish pink color. And I also bought this in black. Fuck, I hate myself for buying this, but I got this. This is at the kids' Foot Locker because I fit kids sizes, and yeah, this isn't even their largest size in the kids section. It's a large. I tried on the small. I fit the small, but I wanted a large so I could tuck it into my jeans. And my most expensive purchase looks like trash. It looks like you got it at Value Village, like Edge said. And it's this. They had it in maroon and green, but I like this navy blue better. And basically, it literally looks like it's inside out, as you guys can see. Like, it looks like it's inside out, but it's not. Ugh. And this was from the men's section also. I really like to shop at the men's section. This is such a cute outfit right here. So cute. So cute. Hey everyone. Alright, so it's the next day now. It's currently 11:08, and I'm gonna go get food because I'm hungry and I really want waffles. And then I think I'm gonna get my hair cut today. That's why it's in a bun. So I'm at Under the High Wheel, and I got this waffle. It literally came out in like 3 minutes, and I got this iced almond latte. That waffle was so good. I have a hair appointment at 12:15 because I want to get my hair cut because it's so dead. I'm not gonna actually get it cut. I'm just gonna get a trim. I put a poll on my spam account, Instagram, and it was 50-50, so we're just gonna get a trim. Just got my hair cut because it was so dead. But then I put a poll on Instagram. Like, it was 50-50 on cutting it and 50-50 leaving it long. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna go for a trim because my hair looks really dead. But then also yesterday I got my eyelash extensions done because like I'm just getting lashes. I mean, putting on lashes every day is like not that hard, but I just wanted to see how lash extensions were. So I got them again, and I got them done by Tina. She's so good and they're so cheap. Like a hybrid set is $90, which is like super cheap. $90 Canadian, by the way. And it's so cheap and they look so good, and she did them really fast. Love them. I'll put her Instagram right here. Oh, this is what it looks like. I really like the leaves in the background. That's really cute. Wait, what's upstairs?
Check it out.
Oh, it's your ring light situation going on. I love my lashes. I got them done yesterday at like 8:30. And then this is my hair. Oh my god, but I actually love my hair. Look at it, it's not dead, so stop saying it's dead on camera, everyone. Oh wow. Go follow the Instagram. I just just got my nails done because I was bored, even though I have volleyball. I still got my nails done, but they're like really short. I've never had them done this short. I usually get them like super long and coffin, but you know what? I just wanted them done because I was bored. And I really like nude colors because, yeah. Yo, I got myself some cat socks and a mango smoothie. Oh my god.
He's being naughty.
So cute. Oh my gosh. I paid $15 to do this. I'm just, oh my god, I love this so much. This is so cute. Oh my god, no. If he jumps in, that'll be the cutest thing ever. I'm at a cat cafe right now. It is so cute. I love cats, but like my apartment, I can't have any pets, but it's so cute. Alright, so we're bored, so we're gonna get a nose piercing again since everyone told me to do it again. I hate the suspense of piercings. When I got my belly button pierced in Toronto, I hated it. Okay, so I pop the jewelry in. How you doing? Good. Not too bad, hey? No, I definitely remember it hurt more. My belly button piercing hurt like a bitch for some reason.
If you need help changing it, you can just come see me.
Woo!
Done and done?
Why did my eyes water? What the hell? Usually I cry. Oh my god, yay. Well, we did it. That was fast. Yo, we're on the LRT station right now, and then there's like two guys walking up and down, and one of them has glasses and a mask over his face, and then this lady just came up to me. She's standing next to me right now, and my purse was open. She was like, I just want to let you know that there's these two guys walking up and down, and like they were looking at you and bumping into each other, like elbow each other. They're probably gonna rob me. But like he just walked up the train. We literally were on opposite ends of the train, and he just walked up and then sat really close to us. He has crack. Peace. He just got off. Look. So did the other guy. Oh, they both got off. He's walking, and they walked on two different. Oh my god. I really thought I was gonna get robbed. Yeah, I didn't have my purse closed, and they were looking at me, and then they both had masks on, and then sunglasses
The
on.
only thing is that they did put their hands in the other girl's pockets and were looking at the change like that.
What?
That's why I said those other two girls that walked by.
Yeah.
It's too late for them. But yeah, that's what they were doing with their hands.
They stuck their hands in girls' pockets and grabbed change. Yo, I was about to get robbed. I came home and Riley's making tacos. He literally just finished when I walked in, like maybe 30 seconds.
Can you not see this greasy girl's hair? I'm obviously Mexican, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah, he cut his hair, everyone. Look at that. All of you guys said he looked like KJ Alpha.
How about that? I mean, I'm damn cute, but KJ Alpha, that's stretching her a little bit.
Ew, no, don't do that. No, I don't like being matching. Look at his notch. He got a notch.
A gentleman, of course.
You're not a gentleman. Ew, look at his notch. Me and Charlie were supposed to get nose piercings, but then...
Oh, you got yours. Fucking
Yeah, I got mine because you took too long. He's just been delaying it and delaying it. You smell good.
I would smell good.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't always smell
I
good.
would smell good.
Whatever. Yo, look at the iPhone XS Max. Look at it. It's like barely any different. Ew, I hate that we're matching shoes.
Why?
Because we look so basic.
Let's go.
Alright. Charlie, you're actually stupid. He says, I don't know what to do about it. Should I just leave it?
I could have just left it. They would have cleaned it.
Charlie's my cameraman right now. But like,
I hate her.
Here, these are the bronze.
Your camera's heavy.
Obviously.
I don't like holding it.
Oh my god, are your arms getting weak?
Yeah, my arm's gonna give out.
Hey, I don't know. They would look so sick though. This is my first time in the Lego store. This is like ASMR, guys. Y'all, hit Charlie up on his new phone. Let's get matching BFF necklaces. Charlie, Eli, and I, we're gonna get best friend bracelets from Claire's that say BFF and they're color changing. He's calling Eli right now.
Mine and I are at Claire's.
And guess what we're buying?
A ring or something?
No, we're all gonna get matching BFF bracelets, okay? Charlie. Sweetheart.
Hold on, I gotta get
Oh, Charlie, no, don't. Put it back. I'm buying Charlie a nose ring. He wants to get one so bad, and he was supposed to get one with me, but then he took too long. Oh, there we go.
Flip over.
Flip.
Flip over.
Oh my god. Look at them. That's so cute. All right, bracelets. Bye, Charlie. Bye. All right, we gotta jump on. Just got home. My hair feels awesome. I love the feeling, and it's not even like that short. It's like not even short. I'm gonna do cleaning my room at 2 a.m. video tonight because I need to. My room is so messy, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna need to more organize my makeup. But yeah, I have school tomorrow, finally. We're back and we're gonna fail. The face mask we're using is the Cup O coffee from Lush, and it smells so good. I love the smell of coffee. Is the tea done? Oh shit.
Okay.
Yeah, I just tripped over tape. Did you buy candy corn?
I did. You want some?
Candy corn is the worst candy of all.
Okay. I like it. I think it's good.
So that's it for the video. If you guys stayed this long, comment down below. I can't believe she did that. Please, please. You guys would know what I mean if you guys follow my spam account, you know? Yeah, also make sure to follow those and my main account. And if you guys like the video, make sure to subscribe. And if you guys do subscribe, comment down below and let me know because I read all my comments and I love to know that you guys subscribed, you know. But that's for the video. Bye.